In today's video I want to show you guys how you can fix the problem that your Warframe is crashing on startup. Okay, for the first step we go into the search bar. Here we look for the task manager, so click on this, and when we are here we have our CPU and memory usage, and if this is really high we have to lower this. What we can do is right click on programs we don't need right now and then end the task, because then the program will fully close, and yeah, you lower your CPU and memory usage, because when this is too high it ends in crashes. Okay, after that we can click on startup apps, and here we can disable that apps automatically start when we turn on our PC. So right click on the app you won't do this, and then you don't want this, so, and then click on disable. So yeah, because sometimes these apps running in the background and cost much of your CPU and memory usage, and this is also not good. After that I have a tip for NVIDIA graphic card users. Download the NVIDIA app. In the NVIDIA app you can install the best and newest GeForce Game Ready driver for your graphic card, which is really important. For all AMD graphic card users, you have to go on the internet, type in your graphic card after that driver, and you will also find the best driver software. Okay, after that we can click on the search bar again, and here we click on device manager, or type in device manager, and here we can close all these things here, and then click on processors, display adapters and disk drives. Right click on it, update driver, search automatically for driver, and we have already installed the best driver. And we do this with all disk drives, all display adapters and all processors. And after that you can also go on the internet, and there you additionally search for the best processor driver and for the best graphic card driver. This is really important. And after that we have sound, video and game controller, and here we have Realtek R audio or Realtek high definition audio, something like that. Right click on it, and then you can disable the device. If you have some problems after that, no problem, you can also enable it again. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe, it would help me a lot. If not, write down in the comments, we will find the solution, and then see you next time.